Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can fix Battlefield 6 error code 1:86001S. So there are quite methods which you can use to solve this error. The first method is that you need to remove any extra USB devices from your PC, like unplug things like USB flash drives, external hard drives, RGB controllers, or even any accessory you are not actively using. Cause some players on the EA forums mentioned that their game only started working after they removed all non-essential USB devices. In a few rare cases, even an external keyboard or mouse caused the Battlefield 6 error to show up. So disconnect everything except your main keyboard, mouse and monitor. After that, restart your PC and launch Battlefield 6 again to check if the error goes away. If that doesn't help, you can try the second method, and in this you need to type in the search bar view network connection. Just open that. Now we need to hit right click on the internet connection we are using. I'm using Ethernet, that's why I'll just hit right click here. Click on properties. Then here we need to select this one, internet protocol version 4. Click on properties again, and right here you need to make sure that it should be set on this one. Use the following DNS server addresses, and you need to change the preferred DNS server to 1.1.1.1 and alternate should be 1.0.0.1. Once you do that, click on OK. Now again you can restart the game and see if the problem is solved or not. If the problem persists, the last thing you can try is to just in the search bar type cmd, hit right click on command prompt and just select this option, run as administrator. Now here type ipconfig space /flush DNS. Now hit enter to flush the DNS resolver cache. Once that's done, just close everything and restart your game. It should work now. And yeah guys, that's pretty much of it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe the channel. I'll meet you in the next one. Bye bye.